So all the metal wiring for ceiling is already installed. So it's a carrying channel. It's ready and installed to hold the metal wiring. So this is the carrying channel. W clip, hold by W clip. So this is the all metal wiring installed for ceiling, PVC ceiling. So all done complete. So use that. Then W clip. Use W clip. Okay, so that's all complete. So ready for wiring installation. It's already done complete all the installation of the metal wiring for ceiling. So this is the markings of the patio post. So we have this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 concrete posts will be dig for the patio, this area, and going there. So tomorrow the gutter will be installed. Tomorrow, so will be installed the gutter tomorrow. So that's the 4 meters by 3. So tomorrow we'll start digging in this area. The 7 concrete post, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we'll dig for the concrete post in this area. So we have so much space on this area going there. So in this area we need to minimize, because this is the entrance area. So that's why 3 meters from the guest house front, and this is 4 meters in the kitchen area. The gutter is already done, finished. Look at the gutter, color black. So that's the gutter. They're already done, finished installing. So we have already done, finish 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 hole, 4 concrete matting. So 2, 3, and 4. So we have a remaining of 3 in this area. So I continue tomorrow digging, and maybe Monday we'll start putting concrete like this. So putting matting and bars, and after concrete. So that's
Ayoko talaga yung magkatotoo at mas lalong ayoko na masira ang pamilya namin. Inisip ko pa nga noon, Papa Dudut, na kung sakali mang may ibang babae talaga si Daryl, ay handa akong patawarin siya. Handa akong ayusin ang lahat sa amin at magsimula kami ulit, basta. At ang mga anak namin ang pipiliin niya. Dahil may isang buwan pang hindi makakauwi si
at least ulay ko Andre no, ulay gahi.
Oh,
okay na diri.
nagsabi sa akin na nasa Cavite si Daryl. 2 linggo na noon ang nakakalipas at sakto naman na sinabi ng kaibigan ko
3.
na muli niyang nakita sa Cavite si Daryl.
So they're installing now
Kaya naluha na lang talaga ako habang kausap ang kaibigan ko sa cellphone.
gutter.
Mabuti na lamang at may kilala siya sa loob ng condominium building. Kaya nakuha niya kung saan doon eksaktong nakatira si Daryl at ang babae niya. Hindi ko alam kung paano nagagawa ni Daryl noon na bumiyahe kaagad pa Davao at pa Cavite. Na para bang may sarili siyang plano papadulot. Pero bago pa siya makaalis ng Cavite ay tinawagin na ang kapatid ko at pinapunta sa bahay namin para magbantay sandali sa mga anak ko. At doon na ako bumiyahe pa Cavite para subuhin si Daryl at ang kabit
for
niya.
concrete post in the
Naiyak
patio.
na kagad ako habang nasa biyahe ako papadulot. Gusto ko nang humagulhol noon pero pilit kong pinapatatag ang sarili ko dahil naniniwala ako na sa huli ay ako at ang mga anak ko.
Gutter is already installed in this area. So look at the gutter. That's the gutter color black. So the man installed the gutter. So that's the gutter. This is the gutter. It's color black. This color black. So in this area, it's already done installing the gutter. So in the front, it's remaining to install, but in this area, it's already done. And in this area, so have remaining gutter to be installed in the front. So in this area, so you have one lip remaining, small ones in that area. So but the area is already done installing the gutter. The concrete post, concrete matting and the bars is already prepared this area. So tomorrow we will put a concrete cement, this concrete box. So concrete box, concrete box, concrete box. So concrete box, concrete box. So concrete box, concrete box. So this area is another concrete post will be used as a 4x4 tubular support in the center of this patio, like what I did in this. We have concrete and the center we have 4x4. So that's like that. So already digging. So we already done preparing. So we have a nylon cord to be sure will be that this area will be equal level. So area. So tomorrow we will put a box. Then after we put a box, then we will put a concrete cement. So mixing the concrete for concrete footing. So already putting the concrete footing, so mixing in that area. So there are two carpenters mixing the concrete. Already done putting. We have already concrete this area. So after that we put all the concrete cement. So in this area is not yet done. So we have three concrete posts that we finished. So after that we wait for 2 to 3 hours to cure the cement. Then after that we put the concrete box. So this is the concrete box. This is the concrete box. So prepare the concrete box. 1, 2, 3, 4 concrete box. So we put this after curing the concrete matting. So preparing the box. So after putting this box, then we put the tubular post, then put the concrete. We are installing the
para sa sarili.
concrete
Papadudin namin kung masasabi
metal
ko
post.
ng mga magulang ko,
So that's a
hindi
metal
maayos
post.
ang naging pagpapalaki
So
nila sa amin.
will be weld.
Sa katunayan ay hindi namin sila naramdaman sa buong buhay namin dahil naging
will be
alipin sila
weld
ng ipinagbabawal na gamot.
Weld for bracket.
Maaga po kaming namulat sa kaalaman na gumagamit
inside.
ng droga ang parehong magulang namin. At dahil sa buhay nilang yon
That's
ay
the
hindi nila naibigay ang atensyon
Tubular post
na nararapat para
installing.
sa aming magkakapatid.
going.
Kung hindi kami
So,
kapayag
the-
noon para sa sarili namin,
the-
ay wala kaming kakainin.
Concrete box is ready installing. 1, 2, 3, 4 concrete box while putting the tubular post.